Hi guys, it's lunchtime and it is at work. It's a casual day, so that's why I'm dressed like this. But I mixed everything in here except only half packet of the Caesar salad dressing. It was less than half. There's avocado in here. They had a little thing of cheese, a little thing of chicken. I did not eat the avocado for breakfast. I saved for the whole thing for lunch. What else is in there? Oh, and croutons. So I already kind of did all that. Oh, and then when I thought I got an orange this morning, it wasn't an orange. Well, it was an orange, but it was an orange grapefruit. Oh, how they could do that. Oh, that's so good. And I already said my price. Yum. Look at that. Yummy goodness. Tomorrow's Jean Day. This is good. I already know what I want for dinner tonight. I want a sandwich because I don't like cooking. A pastrami sandwich with rye bread. Let's see. Pastrami sandwich with rye bread. I want onions on it. Maybe I'll get, no. If I was going to do a melt, I did sauerkraut. But I want a cold sandwich. So, maybe roast beef. Okay. Tell me what you guys think. Roast beef or pastrami? Roast beef and pastrami. Hello. Yeah. The avocado makes this yum. Okay. Back to the sandwich. On the side, pickles, kimchi, and a pickled egg. On the other side, I want some hot peppers. Yeah. On the sandwich, I want cheese, pastrami, or roast beef, or maybe both. Mayonnaise, mustard, tomato, and some, not lettuce, I want shredded cabbage. Sounds like a good dinner. Ooh. Maybe I'll get on the side some of those jalapeno peppers, poppers. That sounds like a plan. Or maybe sourdough bread. You never know with me. This is really good. I don't eat salads often. I'd rather put like lettuce or cabbage on in my food. However, this one's good. Couldn't do it every day. Oh, that's pretty good. All right. This is so cool. An orange grapefruit. Yum. Fun bun. Ooh, it's nice. I still have an apple, and I'll eat that for a snack later. Looking forward to my sandwich. This is so juicy. Sorry, I'm right by an airport and there's a jet flying over right now. Oh, it's not a jet. What the heck is that? Looks like Howard Hughes plane. Can you hear it going over? I wonder if you guys can hear that. I wonder if I've got a cavity. I got good teeth. Every time I bite some cold, I'm ugh. Go back to the salad. I'm hungry. Okay. This is a straight up mukbang salad for showers. You guys seen pretty much enough of my videos to know I'm a very passive person. Nothing really ruffles my feathers too much unless you mess with my meatballs. I'll attack you like a spider monkey. Yeah, there. Stuck in my tooth. So, tell you a story time. I was at work, and mind you, I come across many types of people in the work that I do. Well, this lady came in and said, I need you to take care of this right now. Okay, it's my job. I will. Can you hurry up? I'm like, okay. I can do that. How long is this going to be? Not too long. We can get it going for you. Meanwhile, you can be much longer. Yeah, I'm almost done trying to figure it out. Really, how long is this going to be? If you would stop yapping, the time it takes for me to answer you, I can be getting this done for you. Then proceeds to, oh, this is another lady, sorry. That lady was crotchety. This other lady, this was many years ago. She was paying me a check, didn't like the fee, tore it off and went. And the check went thwink. So what do you guys think happened? What do you think I did? I'll tell you what I did. Check. Doink. Check falls. I do this. Two things can happen. Uno, you can get up and walk around, pick the check up, come back around, hand it to me, and I would say thank you. Or two, I get off at 5 and I can meet you outside. How about that? What do you think she did? She handed me the check and apologized. Took off my earrings for nothing. But yeah, she got me on a bad day because that wasn't even about my meatballs. Threw a check in my face. Are you crazy, girl? Don't make me get Shaniqua out in me, because I will pull the razor out of my hair. Or the Sha Na Na. I'll do it. I'm half Sicilian. Sicilians got, well, they say Sicilian has, this is what they say. That's probably where I get my big booty. That way back then? Alright, another story. That the slaves way back many years ago had slept with some of the Italian men back then. Oh, time's run out. That's why true Sicilians have blonde hair, blue eye. But through those years, because they had biracial relationships, we're now dark hair and dark eyes. I don't mind. All people are beautiful. Well, that's probably where I got my booty. Got 1 minute and I gotta tell you this. We are Christians. A long time ago, though, me and my husband were joking around and we called a psychic hotline. And the psychic told my husband that you are married to a strong black woman. So maybe there is truth in that. Well, little thought. But one thing I can say, I do have a booty. I don't reach for my phone. I gotta go though. I'm gonna have 15 minutes. Love you guys. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Toodles, meatballs. See you guys for dinner with my sandwich. Bye.